Now this is where the main thing comes in, and I hope you guys are okay extending 10 minutes because this is the important information which many times first years don't know, but I think it helps if you know it. Okay, so this is a day-wise companies list. Placement happens for, one second, I'm hearing myself twice. I think Sano, you might have to mute or, okay, cool. So placement happens for 14 days when things are normal. Lockdown is a different scenario, but I'm pretty sure by the time you guys go to your fourth year, things will be similar to what I'm telling, right? So placement happens for 14 days in December, unlike other colleges where placement happens throughout the year for in their final year. So what will happen is in the first day, which starts on 1st of December, a day before that, like the night before that, is called as graveyard session. Graveyard means because it happens in the night. It happens from night 12 o'clock to morning 6 o'clock. And this happens because these are mostly CS companies and all the head offices of big companies like Google, Microsoft and all in the US. So US guys take the interview, and hence to match up their time slots, CS guys in this graveyard session, they have interviews in the night. Now you see here that for US locations, there is 80 lakh package mentioned, right? So only that crores of lakhs of salary that you hear in news, that is for US location. So if you convert it into USD, that is like a good enough salary there. It is not out of the world salary. It is similar or equivalent to what we are getting in India to have a good enough lifestyle. So that crores of salary is because it's in the US, and that's the only reason. These are the other companies who are offering for India profile. So that's why you see the packages are in this range. Now, this is a 5 years back data, right? But I'm pretty sure the maximum deviation would be like 30-40% increase because inflation itself is not that much. So if this is 25 5 years back, by now it will be 30 or 35, but not more than that, right? So these are the graveyard companies. These are the day one companies. Day one company, you see the list here. These are the roles. A lot of you guys ask me what non-core, what are the different things. See, the names are different. Business analyst, associate, training, trainer or something, product manager, strategy, R&D and all, right? So generally on first day, the companies that come are open for all, like most of the companies. That's because obviously whichever company is open for all and whichever companies give good package and hires a lot of people will be given day one slot. If let's say one company is there and it gives 60 lakh package, but it is going to hire only one person, we will not give them day one slot. We will give them like some day 5, day 6 slot, because the goal for IIT is that maximum students should get placed in the initial few days, right? And these are the packages for that time. So you see most of them are open for all. Now, what do you guys think about salary? I know everyone talks that IITs get crores and crores of salary, but that is not the case. What we end up getting is like around this range. Now, after 5 years, it might be slightly better, but it won't be exorbitantly, it definitely won't be in crores, right? But is it a bad thing? Not at all. Trust me, I have worked for 5 years, and there are a lot of people who come from other colleges, right? They have to start from like 3 lakhs package, 4 lakhs package. There are many people with like more experience than me and are earning half than me. So as an IITM, you will always have a good start compared to all the other people. So don't think like 12 lakhs is not much or 13 lakhs is not much. It's actually pretty good compared to what you can ever get in, like if you are in any other college, right? And this question I didn't spend much time on. The reason I have put it over here because I got this question that the salaries mentioned are 30 lakhs and all. Do we get entire money in your hand? You don't get entire money in your hand. The salary will be distribution of cost to the company. So let's say out of 30 lakh, 20 lakh or 25 lakh will be CTC. That is what you will get salary. Some amount will be based on performance. So every few years or every few quarters, there will be performance. So let's not get into it. I don't think at first year stage you should worry about all that. So these are day two companies. As you see, we go to day two. In day one, most of the companies were open for all. Now here is when companies start becoming specific to particular branches, right? And the package also relatively decreases. So as you go to the next day, the package will actually reduce a lot. By the time you are on 7th day, 8th day, your package will go like 6 lakhs, 5 lakhs and things like that. So your goal is to get placed early, and to get placed early, then you have to put in some fight for that.